Malapit nang magsimula ang change of command and retirement ceremony para kay Lieutenant General Cesar Ronnie Ordoyo dito sa Southern Command, Camp General Guillermo Nacar, Lucena City, Quezon Province. Sa ngayon ay inaantabayan na lang natin ang pagdating ng Guest of Honor and Speaker para sa umagang ito na walang iba kundi ang Chief of Staff ng Armed Forces of the Philippines, si General Gregorio Catapang Jr. Halos katatapos lang ng change of command ceremony para sa bagong luklok na pinuno ng Eastern Mindanao Command. Heto na naman at ang isa sa mga pangunahing Unified Command ng Sandatahang Lakas ng Pilipinas ay magpapalit ng pamunuan dahil sa pagreretiro ng isang magiting na general nitong Setyembre 8, 2014. Sa pamamagitan ng tatlong malalaking serbisyo ng Armed Forces of the Philippines, ang Philippine Army, Air Force at Navy, nakatalatag ang 7 malalawak na command center sa buong bansa na kung tawagin ay Unified Command. Isa rito ay Southern Luzon Command na ngayon magpapalit ng pamunuan. Ang Southern Luzon Command ay may napakalawak na area of responsibility sa timugang bahagi ng Luzon. Ito ay simulang pinangunahan ni Lieutenant General Cesar Ronnie Ordoyo noong Marso 4, 2014. Ayon sa General, ang mga sakop ng SOLCOM ay ang kabuuan ng Region 4A and B maliban sa Palawan. Sakop din ito ang Region 5. Sa mahigit 1 taon at 6 na buwan niyang pangunguna rito, ayon sa kanyang speech, ay nakipagtulungan silang mainam sa mga local government unit sa pagpapatupad ng Internal Peace and Security Program bayanihan ng gobyerno at pinaigting nila ang kapabilidad ng SOLCOM at matagumpay na sinugpo ang insurgency sa lugar at naging kasangkapan rin sila sa pananatili ng kapayapaan sa panahon ng eleksyon.
The command played a vital role in the successful conduct of national local elections of 2013, resulting in the lower election-related incidents in Southern Luzon and Bicol regions.
Maging sa larangan ng risk reduction na dulot ng mga nagdaang malalaking kalamidad, ang SOLCOM ang pangunahing naging katuwang ng mga lokal na pamahalaan, lalong-lalo na sa pagbuo muli ng mga komunidad na nasalanta nito at nagpapalawak ng kanilang kaalaman ukol dito.
However, we were able to surpass nature's test more efficiently than in other areas. Through our joint relief and rehabilitation efforts, we were able to minimize negative effects and even facilitated the immediate recovery of the affected communities. Muling nabuhayan ng mas malaking pag-asa ang mga kabataan, nangarap ng isang magandang kinabukasan nang ilunsad nating ang pamunan, ang consolidated, the first and ever Regional Youth Leadership Summit coming from the 2 regions, 4A and 5. I could not have implemented and turned my plans into reality without the people behind me, supporting me and aiding in my decision making. As your commander, I would like also to take cognizance on my staff who helped me formulate plans and make sound decisions.
Nagpasimula ang okasyon ng change of command ng SOLCOM sa pamamagitan ng kinagawiang military formation at iba pang mahalagang seremonya tulad ng presentation at inspection of troops at military honors.
Ladies and gentlemen, trooping the line is Lieutenant General Cesar Ronnie Fernandez Ordoyo, Armed Forces of the Philippines, Commander, Southern Luzon Command.
The 4th Bronze Anahaw Leaf, after the 1st Silver Anahaw Leaf, to the Distinguished Service Star is awarded to Lieutenant General Cesar Ronnie F. Ordoyo.
I hereby relinquish my position as Commander, Southern Luzon Command, Armed Forces of the Philippines. Lower my personal flag.
Si Major General Ricardo R. Visaya, ang itinalaga ng Pangulong Benigno Aquino III sa mungkahi ng pamunuan ng AFP at ng Departamento ng National Defense bilang kapalit ni Lieutenant General Ordoyo upang ipagpatuloy ang paggiya sa SOLCOM sa mga gampanin nito.
I hereby assume my position as Commander, Southern Luzon Command, Armed Forces of the Philippines, effective 08 September 2014, and I sign in your presence. Lieutenant General Ordoyo, sir, I'm now ready to leave. One Sergeant Major. It's my personal flag.
Pinuri ni General Gregorio Pio Katapang Jr. si General Ordoyo sa kanyang husay sa pamumuno at nagbigay naman ng ilang payo para kay General Visaya.
Well, of course, alam niyo po, nararamdaman ko rin po yung naramdaman ni General Ordoyo dahil nag-unified commander rin ako, nag-brigade commander, division commander, and then for the last 3 years, dire-diretso yung serbisyo. Now, na nagpapahinga siya at naniniwala kami na talaga namang napakaganda po ng performance ni General Ordoyo. General Ordoyo, sir, thank you very much for all your hard work, attention to details, and your commitment to excellence. Bong Visaya, General Bong Visaya, take charge. Be sure tuloy-tuloy din. I want SOLCOM to also be like the NORCOM to declare his unified command. The second unified command to declare his unified command as peaceful and ready for further development.
Ipinahayag din ng Chief of Staff ang ilang mga plano ng AFP na ginaganap sa kasalukuyan at sa hinaharap.
Ang mga gera na harapin natin sa 21st century are all global terrorism, global climate change. Nakita nyo naman, dumaan lang isang matinding bagyo, 6,000 kagad ang patay. Global maritime concern, global transnational crime, hopefully ma-address ng PNP, NBI, and other armed services. Pero nakita natin na talagang umiigting ang challenge ng transnational crime and hopefully that global proliferation of mass destruction. So, tuloy-tuloy po ang ating modernization program. Umaasa po kami sa ating mga kababayan na susuportahan niyo po ang aming modernization program dahil ito po ang magsasave sa atin na to address the 21st century.
Pagkatapos ng change of command, ay ginanap na ang madamdaming retirement ceremony at pagpaparangal para kay General Ordoyo.
Armed Forces of the Philippines, having completed 38 years, 5 months, and 7 days of active military service in the Armed Forces of the Philippines from 01 April 1976 to 07 September 2014, is compulsorily retired in the rank of Lieutenant General.
The audience is requested to stand for the passing of the colors. Battalion Commander Lieutenant Colonel Corazon sa Taveras, Nueva Ecija, his staff, Captain Isagan, Palo Nueva Ecija, Major Ignacio, Dalan Sulu, Major Codano, Mel Santos City, Major Rivera, Carlos Pangasinan, Alba Company Commander, Captain Bautista, Miguel Pangasinan, Secretary Officer, Second Lieutenant Carlos, Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu, First Baton Leader, Second Lieutenant Santa Ana, Quezon City, Second Baton Leader, Second Lieutenant Lim, Antipolo Rizal, Bravo Company Commander, First Lieutenant.
Filipino ng SamboTimes.com, Risa Lacbao, nag-ulat.